Hey guys, it's me, Cookie, and today we're gonna be doing a Lego video. Yeah, I tried to do this like months ago, but my storage was full. Yeah, and I couldn't do it. But I got this smaller one, and I was hoping we could do it. It's Ninjago. So if y'all haven't watched Ninjago Dragons Rising, you should go watch it. It's actually pretty good. And if you don't know what's happening, then I suggest you go watch the regular Ninjago and then all the other series behind it. Yeah. Alright, let's get into the video.
Also, if you're wondering where to watch the Ninjago series, go to Netflix.
Yay. Alright, so let's get to unboxing. This side. Oh, snap. That's crazy. So here's our first package, second, and instructions, and there's the box. Goodbye. Box. There. Got some beautiful wings, but you can tell that you won't be able to flap them because they added these, unless they had some fun stuff to do. There's only 2 packs. I mean, what do you expect? It's a small box.
Get out of here.
I don't feel so good. Okay, let's open the instructions. Also, since it's a new one, you can now do this. They now put these on the instructions. Let's open the first pack. Oh, snap. Get out of here. Okay. I'm trying to get more in the view. Really? Okay. Oh, Lloyd's head's already there. And if you hear like breathing, that's not from me. That's from my dog. Don't mind. Okay. Oh, hang on. And if you hear like just noises, that's not for me. Okay. We got Lloyd over here. If you don't know who Lloyd is, go watch the series. Or I could just tell you right now. Should I? Should I tell you?
Yes!
Nah, I ain't gonna tell you. I'm joking. Lloyd is the green ninja. There you go. I mean, it was pretty obvious. It's really sad that y'all can't really see what I'm doing. Like, I have to hold it up, but like, who wants to do that? Who wants to do that? Wait, what if I put... Should I put it right here? Is that like good view or is that terrible view for y'all? I don't know. I don't know, guys. So let's get... But then y'all can't see me build, so what's... I'm gonna just put it back to where it was. This is just the best y'all could get. I'm sorry. We're looking for like a black piece. Oh, hold up, y'all. I got an idea. Hold up, guys. Oh. It's actually a really good view. Okay, now I just gotta find a way to sit y'all up somehow. Oh, we got somewhere, y'all. We did it. Hey, everyone. Hey, can you see me? Oh, no, you can't see me wave. Okay. I'll learn that in the future. Okay. So then we're getting this piece. It was a journey for all of us. Okay. And then we're gonna make it like, so we're making a literal dragon. It's Lloyd's dragon. Lloyd always has a dragon. And if you didn't know that, I suggest you go watch the Ninjago series. It's really good. Ooh, and I think you guys will enjoy it. Because I did. Slothy did as well. So, yeah. I suggest y'all go check it out. It's amazing. Okay. Let's... Okay, it's like blue. It's blue piece. Ah, okay. Alright. Oh, sorry. There we go. Ooh, that was a... I'm sorry for y'all that, like, have those... Do y'all ever have that one, like, time? Not one time. But it's like, you hear this noise, and it just, like, makes you feel weird. Like, oh, like, stop making that sound. Because I have. And I just made a sound that I think some people have that feeling. So I'm sorry if you heard that. And I hope your ears aren't upset with me. I really don't know. I'm sorry. I'm yapping. I understand it. I'm yapping. And if you want me to be quiet and stop talking, just go ahead and tell me to be quiet and stop talking. You want me to keep talking? Okay, we're just gonna keep talking.
Girl, get your girl. What?
Okay, so sadly, wait. Y'all know how I said the wings can't move? The wings can move. Yes, they can move. I was so thinking the wings weren't gonna be able to move, but they can move. So, I'm happy. Because who wants some stiff wings? I mean, like, if you're a dragon, you want to flap them wings, right? So do I, but, you know, the Lego people don't be thinking about that, but this time they actually thought about that, and they made them wings. Movable, let's go. You cannot fold the wings, if that's what you were thinking. You cannot fold the wings. You can flap the wings, but you cannot fold them.
Chicken, banana, chicken, banana, chicken, banana, 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 chicken, banana, chicken, banana, chicken, banana, 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 chicken, banana, chicken, banana, banana, banana.
Okay. Getting somewhere? Ooh, squeaky. I don't like that. This, it's the wrong way. There we go. Sorry. It looks like a boat. Do y'all think this looks like a boat? Looks like a boat. Sorry, do y'all think this looks like a boat? It looks like a boat. Sorry if you couldn't see it. You know. Does this ever happen when it says a piece and there is no piece to find? I need this. Do y'all see this piece? Because I can't. I'm gonna check the bag. Oh, guys, it was in the bag. Look, I found it. It was in the bag. Yeah. My fault. Hold up. All right, and now we're just gonna make the I think the end of the dragon. Not 100%. Not 100% sure. There we go. Oh, y'all. Who's gonna see Lilo and Stitch live action? It's very quiet. Raise your hand if you're gonna see Lilo and Stitch. Anyone at all. I'm gonna just assume y'all raised y'all's hands. Good, awesome. I'm missing another piece, so I'm gonna go check the bag again. What? Guys, panic. There's nothing in the bag. There's nothing in the bag. Panic. Oh, found it. Sorry.
Oh my god.
False alarm. Sorry. I need a panic for the people that already started panicking, flipping over tables and chairs. Because I found it. I feel like y'all are mad at me. So silent. So quiet. Scary. Okay. Alright. I am nearly done with Lloyd's dragon. Now we need these like whipper things, you know, like, you know how someone has a whip and they be like whip, like, I don't know. These look like those whips though. You know, like back in the was it, what do you call that thing? Where it's so long ago? No. Oh yeah, the medieval time. Ain't in the medieval time they use whips? Or is that too far? Or is that too ahead? I don't know. Guys, no, I'm so sad. You can't move its mouth. I'm so sad. You can't move it. It was made like that. So sad, that defeated the whole purpose of it. Okay, guys, now we're going to the second package. Alright, let's open up. Whee! Look at the baby dragon. It's like what was it? Right? Riley? The gray one? The big one?
The gray one's Ryu.
Ryu. That was Slothy, by the way.
The golden one, that's not Ryu though.
I know, but I'm like trying to who's the one that looked Ryu? Not Riley, y'all. Ryu. Okay.
I thought you were gonna say Caillou.
Caillou? Do y'all miss Caillou? Happy. The bald-headed little boy. Happy. You know, he said Caillou. Happy. Caillou. I'm Caillou. That's me. Yeah, guess what, y'all? Y'all wouldn't believe it. People are now remaking Caillou. He's like animated or whatever. No, not animated. Wait, yeah, he is kind of animated though. But he's not like the original drawed animated kind of Caillou. I know, right? You thought Caillou be dead. Nah, he alive. He back in action. He's bigger and better. But no one really watches Caillou. Nowadays, you see little kids watching Coco Melon.
The wheels on the bus go round.
Coco Melon! Coco Melon! Please do not unsubscribe. Please. I'm sorry. I'll shut up. Just let's just go besides that. You know, let's not talk about that. Let's just not talk about that. That never existed. We never said that. Totes. Ali. Never. Ever. Y'all know that song that's like, never, ever, getting back together. Who's that made by? Hey, let me look it up. Never, ever getting... Was that by, like, Taylor Swift? Was that by her? It is! It's by Taylor Swift, y'all. It's Taylor Swift. Okay, I know that was so unnecessary. I was just trying to make sure I was right. Okay? Also, I put it on the wrong leg. I did it wrong. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad. Oh, snap. Nearly killed the dragon. Please do not, like, be mad at me that I did something so, like, random. Wait, hang on. Can y'all name, like, random Taylor Swift songs? Like, just make it as random as possible.
What?
Wait, guys, I'm missing a piece. Panic. Oh, wait. Don't panic. I put it on the wrong way. Sorry. False alarm. I know I was telling y'all to panic, and I know y'all are kind of mad that y'all didn't get the right to panic freely. You know, like free will. Guys. What if there's a reason why the name Free Will was made? What if there was an actual person, not to be funny or nothing, but like, what if there was an actual person named Will, and he needed to be free? Okay, that's kind of stupid. Never mind. Yeah, I sound kind of... Yeah, I'm sorry. I know I sound kind of stupid right now. Just ignore me. But please don't ignore that. Subscribe. Okay, I'm joking. You know, like how someone does something weird and then they'd be like, you know, like, please don't, like, whatever they said was bad, and then they'd be like reversing and trying to make it funny or whatever. Never mind. Okay. So, the dragon has legs and a tail and a head. But what kind of dragon is a dragon with no wings? Yes, you heard me. Ooh. Also, y'all, look at this flag they did. This is really good. Look at that. Look at this flag. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Wait. Oh, okay, so this dragon has no wings and it's still a dragon. I take back what I said about the dragons. You can still be a dragon without a wing. I mean, without wings. It's just like... Okay, I'm gonna just be quiet. Because I'm just not making anything better. Now it's time to add... the wings. Let's put these babies on. Ah. Stuck. Oh, I'm breaking it. I'm a professional, y'all. Don't worry. What the heck? Okay. We got one wing on. Now let's get the other one on. It's like surgery. It's like a doctor saying, we got one shot done. Now let's get the other one done. Like, girl, that's not going to make me feel better. Or, man, whoever's giving me the shot. Ah! Dang it. No, it's not going in. Guys, it's stuck. Oh, breaking it. Oh, I broke the flag. Oh, okay. Oh, guys, we're done with the dragon. Look at this. Look, we did it. We did it.
Oh, I want to see.
Look at the dragon. We did it. Look at the dragon. It's so beautiful. We built that. I'm joking. Here's the dragon. Oh, here's the dragon.
Oh, I need to see. Real nice.
We did it. Luxurious, beautiful, beautiful
I
dragon.
see her. She's so pretty.
Here you go.
You.
The rightful hand at the throne.
Oh, good.
The dragon.
Look at it. Looks amazing. Look. It's disappointing how her jaw cannot open. But that's okay. I think it's cool how she has, like, 2 legs.
Yes.
And not all 4. I kind of like that.
Yes.
Oh, it's so cool. I like this.
Yes.
Like the wings.
Yes.
I just like the dragons.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, because I did. It was really fun making this dragon with y'all. I finally did a Lego video that y'all can see. And if you enjoyed so much, make sure to like. If you want to, subscribe, because we have now 21 subscribers. We're 9 away from getting 30. I know we can do it. I know we can. Please join the cookie community, and you can probably get yourself a nice I'm sorry, you can't get a chocolate chip cookie, but you can dream about it. Bye.